Namaste. Double fine structure. We are going to see the paper atomic physics and space science. The first chapter is doublet fine structure, and that first point is spectral notations and optical spectral series. In the normal state of alkali metals, in the normal state of alkali metals, there is one electron in s orbit, that is L equal to 0. My friends, you should remember BSc second year vector auto model. Again, I want to repeat in short. There are different quantum numbers. Number one, principal quantum number n, n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. This principal quantum number decides name of the cell KLMN. For n equal to 1 K cell, for n equal to 2 M cell, L equal to n equal to 2 L cell, n equal to 3 M cell, like that. The next quantum number is orbital quantum number. This orbital quantum number L equal to 0 to n minus 1 values. Let us suppose n equal to 3. Then how many values of the orbital quantum number? As n equal to 3, formula is 0 to 3 minus 1, that is n minus 1, that is 0, 1, 2. These are three values of orbital quantum number L. Depending on the value of orbital quantum number L, the name of subcell changes. For L equal to 0, name of subcell is S. For L equal to 1, name of subcell is P. For L equal to 3, name of L equal to 2, name of subcell is D. For L equal to 3, name of subcell is F. Like that, the name of subcell is depends upon the orbital quantum number L. What happens in the case of the alkali metals? For example, sodium. There are 11 electrons. In the alkali metals, there is a single electron in the last orbit. That last orbit means last cell. Whatever may be that the last cell. Suppose in the case of the sodium, total number of electrons 11. First cell filled, that is K cell filled. Second cell filled, that is L cell filled. In the M cell, how many electrons? 2, 8 completed in the first two cells. The 11th electron is present in the M cell. In the case of the M cell, the only one electron, that is L equal to 0. Therefore, L equal to 0, that 11th electron is present in the S subset. Understood? Okay. Now we are going to see further. Unless and until you keep in mind these basics of the vector auto model, you can't understand. That's why I have taken the revision. Therefore, corresponding energy state is designated as S state. Why S state? Because my friend L equal to 0. For L equal to 0, name of subcell? Yes. Therefore, it is S state. Or N2S state. Again, there is a N2S state where small superscript represents the multiplicity of the state. That means what? This 2, that is the superscript, gives the multiplicity. Multiplicity is equal to 2 into S plus 1, where S is field counter number. In this case, there is only one electron. Therefore, 2 into 1 half plus 1. Therefore, 2 numerator and denominator vanishes and only remaining 1 plus 1. Therefore, multiplicity of this 11th electron is N2S, or multiplicity equal to 2. Therefore, superscript 2 is there. Then what is remaining? N is principal quantum number. And why S comes? Because 11th electron is present in the first subcell, that is for L equal to 0. Name of subcell is S, therefore there is S. Understood, my friends? Now we are going to see further. Now we are going to optical spectral series. First series, sharp series. The transitions from NS to 3P. This is a series of sharp spectral lines due to transition from NS level to the lowest P level. For example, for sodium, the configuration in the normal state is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1, and hence lowest state is 3s. And excited states are 3p, 4s, 5p, 4p, etc. Understood? This is the transition from NS to 3p. This is the series of charge spectral lines due to transition from the NS level to the lowest P level. For sodium, the configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1, and hence the lowest state is 3s, and excited states are 3p, 4s, 4, 5. Similarly, next series, before that, therefore, sharp series is represented by the transition from NS to 3p, where n equal to 4, 5, etc. 3p is fixed level and NS is running state. Therefore, transition from n equal to 4 to 3p. Transition for n equal to 5 to 3p. That is from NS to 3p. Understood? Okay. Next, principal series. This is the exactly opposite to the transition is opposite to the sharp series. It is transition from NP to 3S. This is the intense spectral line which can be excited easily. And transition is from NP to 3S where N equal to 3, 4, 5. Okay. Therefore, this is the second series. Transition is from NP to 3S. Third series, diffuse series. Diffuse series or diffuse series transitions from ND to 3P. It is the white and name is given according to that diffuse series. Okay. And last series is fundamental series. It is transition from NF to 3D where N equal to 4, 5, dot, 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 dot. Similarly, for lithium spectrograms can be represented as, for lithium how many electrons are present? According to that there is transition is from, there are transitions from NS to 2P, N first series sharp series where N equal to 3, 4, 5. And for principal series, NP to 2s, where n equal to 2, 3, 4. DP series, ND to 2p, where n equal to 3, 4, 5. And last is NF to 3p, where n equal to 4, 5, 6. This is the fundamental series. Thank you very much. Thank you, my friends. Try to remember.